Alright, so we got these Birkenstocks here in the process of getting finished. We're using these Louis Vuitton bags right here. This is like 2 bags. We just already went through like 4 of them. Went through a garment bag, went through like 2 of those. Still got like 5 more coming in because, man, you guys went crazy on the orders. Like, let me show you guys. These are all the soles that we got. Just look, like, this is not even half of the Birkenstocks we have to finish. So I thank you all for supporting the Brown Customs business. You guys are amazing. So, and since you guys like that Birkenstock video so much, why not do another one? So I'm doing a cut and sew with a pair of Vans. So basically taking apart one of those Louis Vuitton duffel bags that are over there and throwing on some Vans. So repurposing the entire shoe and repurposing the entire bag. Alright, so we got these Vans right here, black and white old schools. So let's begin. And little side note, I can't find my tripod, so I have my girlfriend right here being a human tripod for me. So shout out to her. So let's get started. All right, so you guys know the drill. X-Acto knife. Alright, now that we got these deconstructed, we're gonna take this bag apart. I got my man Los right here on the sticks. So we'll just do something like this.
Lies.
Alright, so we got all this cut up ready. It's like the 2 bags that we had over there. So we'll go ahead and this should be enough for the van. So we'll just get this side here and put everything to the side. And we're good to go. there you guys have it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to shout down below at BrahmaCustoms.com. Also subscribe to my new channel, Brahma001. That channel is basically just going to be showing you guys my aesthetic and also just giving you guys a workflow vlogs of how I'm able to make it as a full-time creative. So if that's something you want to watch, if you guys want to know more about me, be sure to subscribe to Brahma001. And until then,